Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. It's summertime, man, and I'll tell you what, certain times of the day, this garage gets hot. I mean hot. Metal roof, non-insulated, although next year I hope to fix that problem. And so in the afternoon when the sun clears the trees and really comes down on this place, it gets warm. So I reached out to Vevor and they were kind enough to send me these. These are a 2-pack of fans that you bolt to the wall. And so let's go ahead and open this up. We'll check it out. Vevor's been really good to me over the years. I've bought a lot of stuff from them, and they've been kind enough to send a lot of stuff to me. As you can see in the background, that sandblaster has been pretty awesome. Okay, so what do we got here? Let's go ahead and unbox both of them. Should be a fairly straightforward installation, but you never know. We'll get both of them out of the box. We'll get the box out of the way. And let's see what we got. Yeah, let's cut it open. Nice. So these are like commercial grade. Nice. Metal blades, metal frame. You mount this to a wall. And so you could mount it to the ceiling. Or in my case, I'm going to mount it to a wall sideways here like that. I'm going to screw that in, and I'll probably put it in a corner so that it sits in there like so and just rolls. And on the bottom here, a little hard for you to see probably, but it's just a pull chain to start, right? And the cord, let's see how long this cord is. 5 feet probably. That's about 5 feet. So let's see what it says here on the back. Vevor, tough tools, half price. I like that. Metal wall fan model number is BT-WL 146-N. And it is 120 volts, takes 110 watts of power, so not terribly consuming of your electrical system. All right, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to pause the camera. I am going to install this thing and we will check it out. Well, there it is. That's pretty awesome, actually. Let me come around here, I'll show you. So I mounted it way high. The reason I did that is that in the wintertime, I want to angle that fan up because all the heat rises. Now I've got it on full blast, and you want to know how I can control it. Let me back this up a little, there we go. I have the pull cord, which comes with an extension all the way over here. So let me go ahead, I'll show you how that is. So there's off. And that's low. And I'll tell you, even at low, I can feel the air flowing in here. Wow, yeah, that's really nice actually. Man. And normally I have, the garage door here open, and that door when I don't have stuff in the way. But right now I can't really do that because, well, you wouldn't be able to see the fan. But I'll tell you what I will do. So I'm going to back this up. I want to open the fan up because I do want to make sure that even with the door open that I'm still getting airflow. So let me see if that works. Yeah, so here it is with the door open. I'm feeling the breeze, and this is on low. I'm basically at the other end of the shop here, but you can see it up there blowing. So I'm going to turn it back up to high. Oh yeah, that's working well. And you can see the cords here swaying in the wind. Oh, well, I forgot beforehand, so let me go ahead and do this metal wall fan. And it just talks about, it's pretty basic really. 110 watts, doesn't hardly use anything. Installation, it did come with a lag bolt and 2 smaller screws. I wasn't able to use the lag bolt because I'm not going into drywall, but this is pretty cool. And it says a relatively dry environment such as office, commercial or other commercial applications. Not a problem. And so you can mount this thing horizontally for tilting up and down, or vertically for left and right. The lower one, I'm going to be doing the left or right setup like that. Awesome. Not a very big manual, but it comes with that. So that's where it is. That's probably where it'll stay. I've got another one I'm going to be putting down in the lower barn. It's going to be much closer to the ground, so more direct instead of just circulating it. But pretty nice, pretty cool. I'll leave a link to where you can get one of those, and thank you to Vevor as always for sending that my way. Till next time, my friends, take care.